Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you find the last shape that we drew on the pattern? When we find the last shape we drew on the pattern, that will tell us what yesterday was, and then we can figure out what today is. Do you see it? What is the last shape we drew? Did you guess an Easter egg? That's right, yesterday was an Easter egg, and it was Sunday, April 4th, 2021. It was also Easter and National Carrot Day. Did you have fun on Easter? Did the Easter Bunny pay you a visit? It's kind of a fun day. Some people spend it with family and do fun activities. I hope you had a great Easter. What do you think is the square for today? If this was the square for yesterday, where do we go? Do you remember? That's right, we go left to right. So we're going to go one square over, and this will be the square for today. What shape should we put in there? What do you think is next in our pattern? Can you tell from the shapes we drew on the board before? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and do our pattern together and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? Easter egg, pink circle, orange square. Easter egg, pink circle. Did you guess pink circle? Let's draw a pink circle into our square on the calendar. You can practice on a piece of paper or in the air with your finger. Are you ready? Start up at the top and go around. And then color it in. And it's okay if your circle is a little bit bumpy or has some straight sides. We'll just keep practicing. The more we practice, the better we will get. Pink circle. Good job. Thank you for helping me with that. Now that we know that this is the square for today, we can figure out what the date is. And the first thing we look for is the name of the day. Do you remember how many names there are of days for the week? How many days do we have? Good guessing. Let's go up to the top and count our days together and say the names. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thank you for saying that with me. It's so much more fun when we do it together. So if we go back to our circle, and we'll go up the column to find out what today's name is. And it is Monday. And it begins with a capital M because Monday is the name of our day. And M sounds like Can you try that? Go Excellent. Now, can you think of some words that start with M? What about marvelous? Or melting? Did all the snow melt? Those are some great M words. Monday, capital M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Monday. And Monday has 2 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Monday. Good job. One more time. Monday. Excellent. Let's put Monday into the sentence in our agenda. Did you bring your agenda today? It's okay if you don't have an agenda. You can practice with us on another piece of paper or in the air with your finger. We would love it if you followed along. So we'll start by putting in the first 2 words in our sentence, and they are today is. So the first word is today, and it's capitalized because it's the first word in our sentence. T-O-D-A-Y. And then the next word is. And then we're going to put in the day of the week. Monday, capital M because it's the name of our day, O-N-D-A-Y. And then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the next word. And the next word is going to be the month. And do you remember how many months there are in the year? Well, here's some great guesses. Let's count them up and say their names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 months in the year. Let's say their names together. I want to hear you nice and loud. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. Do you remember what month it is? It's the 4th one from the top. Let's go see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's April. And so we've got April printed at the top of our calendar so that we can always just glance at the calendar and know what month it is. And it's a capital A And A makes two sounds. So you can make a, like as if you're saying ape, or you can say ah, like you're saying apple. So when we go A, that's a long sound. And when we say ah, that's a short sound. So April has the long sound A. So capital A, P-R-I-L, April. And April has two syllables. Can you clap them with me? April. Good job. Let's do it one more time. April. Excellent. Let's put April into the sentence in our agenda. Say the sentence with me so far. Today is Monday, comma. We've run out of room, so we're going to come down and go back to this side of the page. And we're going to print in April. Capital A because it's the name of our month. P-R-I-L. And next we're going to put in the number. And what do you think the number is today? Well, here's some good guesses. Do you remember what the number was yesterday? Can you see it on the board? Yesterday was the number 4. And when we count, we say 4, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 4th. Can you try that? 4th. Good job. So if yesterday was 4, what do you think today will be? What comes after 4 when we're counting? Oh, I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning of our days and count up all of our numbers and see if our answer is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you guess 5? Let's put a 5 into our calendar. You can practice on a piece of paper or in the air with your finger. Are you ready? So we'll start up at the top. We'll make a line across to the left. Then we're going to come down a little bit and make a bump out like a circle. Well, that's the number 5. And when we count, we say 5, but when we put it in our calendar, we say 5th. Can you try 5th? That's a different kind of word, isn't it? 5th. Good job. Now let's count backwards. It's okay if you don't know how yet. We'll practice together. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Now we can put the number into our sentence. Say what we have so far together. Are you ready? I want to hear you nice and loud. Today is Monday, comma, April 5th. So we'll put a 5 there. Then a comma, and that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And the year is also at the top of the calendar, 2021, or you can say 2021. Put it in your agenda, 2021, and then a period. And that period reminds us to stop. There's nothing else to say in our sentence. Let's say the whole sentence together. Are you ready? Today is Monday, April 5th, 2021. And next, I'm going to make all my numbers up to the number 5 so that I can practice making my numbers every day. I want to get really good at them, so I'm going to practice every day. And I would like you to practice every day as well. So you can practice your numbers on your paper, or you can practice the numbers in the air with me as we go along. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Next, I'm going to draw one thing that I'm going to do today. That's what we do with our agenda. We keep track of the activities that we need to get done for the day. So I'm just going to pick one thing to draw that picture. Can you draw one thing that you're going to do today? Think of what you need to get done today, and let's draw a picture of it. I'll draw my picture, and you can draw your picture at the same time. If you don't have a paper to practice on, that's okay. You can just follow along while we're drawing. Are you ready? So today, I'm going to make some muffins. Do you like muffins? I really like muffins. There's all kinds of muffins. There's apple cinnamon muffins, bran muffins, blueberry muffins, chocolate chip muffins. Today I am going to make raisin bran muffins. They're very good for us. So I'm going to put some raisins in there. Do you have a favorite kind of muffin? Next, I am going to put my name at the bottom. It shows that I am done my art or my drawing for the day, and it also lets people know that I made this picture. But while I'm practicing making my name every day, I'm also getting really good at it. So if you practice your name every day, you'll get really good at it too. While I'm practicing to print my name, you can practice printing your name. Don't forget to put a capital letter at the beginning. Are you ready? Capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And if you don't know how to do all of these letters or numbers yet, that's okay. You can just practice by making one letter a day. And we have been practicing the letter A. So we're going to practice the letter A again today. And you can practice on your paper or in the air with your finger. Are you ready? And we'll start up at the top and we'll make a line straight down a little bit to the left. Then we're going to go back up to the top and do it again on the other side, going the other way. Good job. Next, we'll put a line across the middle. Good job. So this is an uppercase A and this is a lowercase a. And a lowercase a goes in a circle and then a line straight down. Excellent. Thank you for practicing that with me. If you practice one letter every day, you'll get really good and you'll know all your letters and you'll be able to print any words that you'd like. How are you feeling today? Yesterday, we were feeling pretty excited because it was Easter and there was an Easter egg going on and we got to see some family and have a brunch together. It was a really nice day. Do you think we're still excited today? How are you feeling? Are you excited today? Is something special happening today or did something special happen? Maybe you're just really happy. Sometimes we just wake up really happy and there's no reason, and that's great too. What about happy? Are you just pleasantly happy today? Easygoing? Nothing is bothering you? You're just happy? Just enjoying the day? What about confused or shy? Maybe you're shy. Is something happening today that you're a little bit shy about? Or maybe you have a question. Do you have a question that you need to ask somebody? What about angry? Are you angry today? Maybe something bad happened that you didn't like. We get angry sometimes when things happen that we don't like. Maybe you're just tired because you didn't get enough sleep last night, a little bit grouchy. Or sad. Are you sad today? Did something bad happen that you didn't like? Maybe you stubbed your toe or lost your favorite toy. What do you think? It's okay to have those emotions. You can even talk to your adult or a friend about it and help to change those emotions once you're feeling better and learn how to maybe become a little bit happier or maybe learn some techniques to deal with those. Sometimes when you're sad, it's okay to curl up for a little while by yourself, or you can draw a picture about what you're sad about. There's lots of things that we can do. I think I'm happy today, so I'm just going to put a happy face here. And my kind thing that I'm going to do today is I'm going to share my muffins with my neighbor. Once I've made some muffins, I'm going to take a couple of them over to my neighbor's house. It's nice to share with other people. They really do appreciate it. Can you think of something to do today? Maybe something that you could share? Do you make muffins or cookies? Maybe you can share some of those with someone today. Maybe something as simple as cheese and crackers. Anything small to share with people, they really do appreciate it. So I hope you find something wonderful and kind to do today, and we will see each other again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.